about to leave.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we've got a few bits that we're going to tackle today, and I'm going to start by doing the laundry. So this pile that you see here is all brand new clothes that the children had for Christmas, and I haven't had the chance to put them away and hang them up yet because I haven't had enough coat hangers for their wardrobes. So here I am today after I bought them in B&M, and we're going to go ahead and hang up all of their new clothes, and then I'm also going to tackle 2 loads of laundry that I need to fold and put away.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Alright, so moving on to my disaster of a hallway. So since Christmas I've had loads of toys that haven't been opened yet, kind of just dumped in my hallway with Christmas decorations, shoes, all sorts of stuff here. So I'm going to go ahead and sort them out and get them put away and put into places that they should be. There is so many things in this hallway, honestly I couldn't believe how much stuff I found here. But I'm going to quickly tackle this and then we're going to go ahead and give it a quick clean.
Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free. I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, and you deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more.
So we currently have this little toy organizer here in the hallway, and this was originally in the living room literally the day after Christmas Day. But it has proven to be very difficult to try and keep on top of the living room with all those tiny toys in there. There's so many baskets of small toys that they tend to just literally pull every single basket out and tip them all over the floor. So when it comes to cleaning it at the end of the night, it is really hard and it takes such a long time. So we decided to put it out in the hallway. That way they can take a basket at a time, play with it, and when they're done with it, put it back. So moving on to the stairs now, I'm just going to go ahead and hoover the stairs, and then I'm going to take some diluted, well not diluted, straight Sephora. And I know some of you guys are going to comment on you that you're not supposed to use it straight, but I use it for small things like this straight because it honestly leaves the best smell in your hallway, and it is really strong as well. It stays there for a very long time, and there's no hazards with this anyway with how I'm using it, so it's okay. And honestly it really does make my hallway and my whole house smell amazing when you use it this way as well.
There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about
bathroom. So the bathroom is an absolute disaster. My 2 children went in here and they got a hold of my Lush bubble bar and they crumpled it all over the floor, all in the bath, all in my rug, and they walked through it and played through it, and it was just a disaster. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle this today because it is definitely needed. It is over everything. So I'm going to go ahead and start by cleaning the toilet, and then we're going to just move around the room and clear the clutter and give everything a good wipe down.
There is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own thing. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own thing. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own thing. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own thing. I can feel my, I can feel losing track of time, losing track of myself. I can make promises to get into your head. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own thing. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own, I can feel my own thing. I can feel my, what I do. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own thing. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own, I can feel my own thing. I can feel my, I can feel my, I can feel my own, I can feel my own, I can feel my.
Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off, why did I choose you? I'm just too lost, I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head, I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy, now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again.
Wanna let go, I wanna lose you. Fall out of love as you're supposed to. This was a phase that I was a mistake, but I can't move on with something in these days. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love, let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again.
Alright guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Here's some befores of the bathroom, and then we have some afters as well. I absolutely love seeing before and after shots. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love you to consider sticking around and hit that subscribe button. But without further ado, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!